So listen, we got to break the habits of generational poverty, right? For far too long, we've been struggling with the lack of financial literacy, okay? So when I say we need to actually start breaking these curses, it's not just about making money. See, I help people make money, but that's not the only thing. What we also need to do is put in place ways that we can correct the habits, right? Because we have a lot of bad habits in our community. So it starts with our children. So for example, with my daughter, right? And this is what I recommend for everybody. You have a bank out there like Green Light Banking, right? What Green Light Banking does is it allows you to set up a checking and a savings account for your children. But the savings account is paid interest by the parent. So you can set the rate of interest that you want to pay your children as you teach them how to save money. So however you allow your children to earn money, right, whether it be chores, whether it be accomplishments, whatever it may be that you set in place for them to earn money, well, then you teach them, hey, listen, once you put your money over here, you get self-paid interest paid by the parent. So I overpay interest on my child's money so she can understand the principles of saving, right? And then when financial literacy comes into place is that I teach my daughter how to use a credit card. So now I'm already teaching her to not use a debit card, right? So when she uses a credit card, she's added on as an authorized user to my card. So now she knows, okay, I make this much money every single week. And if I spend money on a credit card, I got to pay it. But meanwhile, if I put money in my savings account, it gains and grows more. It grows with interest. I make more money. So now she's understanding how to actually use the banking system and understand how to properly put herself in a position and the importance of saving, right? And then once you start seeing that, okay, if I sit my money here, it grows with interest. Then you start to say, like, well, at Fidelity, when they turn 14, you know, or you set up a custodial trading account when it comes to stocks, then you could teach them how to actually trade. But that's my brother Wall Street Trapper. So I'm going to see y'all in one of the 7 cities within the next 7 days, y'all. Come out, get this free game. It's time to go. We breaking generational curses, y'all. Let's get it.